This is an economy class high-speed metal cutting machine 2026 model 16. How do we ensure safety? First, lasers. High-power lasers should not be directly viewed with the eyes. We use a protective shield, so when cutting, the laser cannot directly hit your eyes. The second thing is the camera we use. During cutting, you only need to see the cutting in real time on the computer screen. As for movement, since we define it as a high-speed machine, there are definitely safety risks when it moves. We use a measuring grating that immediately stops upon accidental contact. We also have grating surrounding the equipment, providing double protection for the customer. A unique protective cover prevents laser emission, protecting the eyes, which is our CE standard.
Our design is also user-friendly and portable for disassembly.
My negative time instruction.
Three holes of different sizes that were just cut. This is a 5 millimeter circle with an accuracy of about 0.03 millimeters. This is the edge effect of the 20 we just cut. Now let's measure its taper.
The taper of 4 sides.
So its taper is very small. Its 90-degree precision is very high. Laser Precision, precision manufacturing. Looking forward to long-term cooperation with you.